Our journey begins in the lush fields where our food is born. From farm to market, let's explore the path our food takes to reach our tables. We start with sustainable farming practices, where each crop is nurtured with care, leading to the bustling moment of harvest. As the crops are gathered, they're prepared for their next journey, transportation to the local markets. Here, the vibrancy of the market comes alive. Picture the variety of fresh produce, the lively interactions between vendors and their customers, and the rich atmosphere that fills the air with the aroma of fresh fruits and vegetables. It's a vivid scene that captures the essence of local commerce and community. Now, let's delve deeper into the heart of sustainable and organic farming practices. These methods are not only crucial for our health, but are vital for our environment and the local community. By avoiding harmful pesticides and utilizing crop rotation and natural fertilizers, farmers ensure the land remains fertile and productive for future generations. We also had the opportunity to speak with some of these dedicated farmers. They shared their methods, the challenges they face, and the passion that drives their commitment to sustainable farming. It's their hard work and dedication that brings us healthier food options and maintains the balance of our ecosystem. From the fields, we move to the kitchen, where farm-to-table dining comes to life. Dining at farm-to-table restaurants offers a unique experience where chefs use locally sourced ingredients to create dishes that reflect the region's flavors. These culinary experts employ unique cooking techniques and traditional methods to enhance the natural tastes of the ingredients. It's not just about eating, it's about experiencing the culture and the community through every bite. This approach not only supports local farmers, but also helps in preserving the culinary heritage of the area. Let's delve into the heart of local traditions and recipes, exploring traditional recipes and cooking methods that have been passed down through generations. We'll discuss the cultural significance of these foods, not only in local celebrations, but also in daily life. Additionally, we'll touch on local food festivals or events that celebrate farm-to-table practices and regional cuisine, highlighting how these gatherings bring communities together. Engaging with the local community has been a profound part of my journey. From picking produce directly from the fields to cooking alongside locals, these hands-on experiences have significantly deepened my understanding of the local culture and cuisine. Reflecting on these moments, I can truly say that they've enriched my appreciation and connection to this vibrant community. Imagine being able to see the vibrant colors of the farms, the bustling energy of the markets, and the exquisite dishes prepared from fresh local ingredients. Through photos of these places and visuals of the landscapes, produce, and cooking processes, we can bring this narrative to life, offering a window into the world of farm-to-table experiences. If you're planning a visit, here are some tips on how to explore farms, markets, and farm-to-table restaurants. It's useful to know about tours, the best times to visit, and any necessary arrangements you might need to make. Additionally, I'll share some local recommendations for the best farm-to-table experiences in the region. By focusing on these elements, you can create vivid and engaging narratives that not only describe the food, but also immerse you in the cultural and sensory experiences of these unique culinary journeys.